So this is how you make the Pythagorean theorem in Python. First, open a new Python file. I'm just gonna name it random. So first, you say A equals input and then you put, I'll just say first number, and of course I forgot the quotation, because of course I did. And then we just do the same thing but with B equals input second number question mark and a space, and then you do the math dot sqrt, which stands for square root, and then you put in A asterisk asterisk 2 plus B asterisk asterisk 2. And then to make sure that this works, we run, we say 3, 4, alright, so got that you have to do integer on them, so just put int and parentheses around them, and then let's just do 3 and 4. Oh, and also you need print. Alright, well, let's just say this is C equals that, and then we just put C, print C. And then we run, and we do 3, 4, and we get 5, which is what we want. And that's Pythagorean theorem, or Pythonian theorem, which is even better, in Python.